In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an employee's address in QuickBooks Accountant. This process is straightforward, but to ensure it's smooth and stress-free, just follow along with these steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks login page. On this page, simply click on Sign In. Now, if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you'll need to create one. But for today, let's assume you already have those credentials. Once you're on the login screen, enter your email and password and then click Continue to access the main dashboard. Once you're in your QuickBooks account, directing yourself to the Employees section will be your next step. You'll find this by looking at the main navigation bar. Clicking on Employees takes you to a list where all employees under your account are displayed. Here's a friendly tip. If you have many employees listed, you can use the search feature to quickly find the specific employee whose address you need to update. Locate the employee profile you're looking to update and click on their name. This action opens their detailed profile. Now take a quick look around to familiarize yourself with the layout. We're primarily concerned with the personal info section here. You'll see various tabs, but for address updates, the personal info tab is where you should click. Once you're in the personal info tab, spot the edit button. Clicking edit will make the fields containing the employee's current information editable. Now search for the field dedicated to the address. This part shouldn't be too tricky to find. It's usually well labeled and located with other basic details like name and contact information. When you've located the address section, simply delete the old address and type in the updated information. Don't rush through this step, ensure the details are entered correctly. This might include house number, street name, city, state, and postal code. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, the final but crucial step is to save your changes. Look to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll see the green Save button, sometimes labeled as Finish. Clicking this will confirm your changes and ensure the updated address is stored in the system. With that, you've successfully changed the employee's address in QuickBooks Accountant. Before you log out, it can be helpful to click back into the employee's profile to double check that everything is as it should be. It's always worth the extra minute or so to avoid any potential mix-ups later on. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made managing your employee profiles a little easier. See you next time.